If you're considering a trip to Thailand, this series is tailor-made for you. Having recently traveled to Thailand, I'm excited to bring you a month-long journey breaking down the perfect week that is captivating in this country. While these videos will cover a lot, not to worry, I have a detailed Notion page that will be in the description of each Thailand video. From living costs to transportation options and even the activities I didn't squeeze. It's all there. My experience was an absolutely whirlwind, from all-inspiring temples and deep dives into their rich religious tapestry to the captivating modernized cities. And how could I forget, not to mention the explosion of flavors from Thai cuisine that boasts about? Every memory of this trip is stitched with excitement. So no more holding back, let's jump into this captivating series.
If you guys didn't know, I'm here in Pattaya from my Sanctuary Truth video that I'll be linking right here or right there. And today I'm going to be going to one of the streets here because it's known to be the biggest red light district here in Thailand. So we're going to see what it has to offer. It's definitely a different vibe, especially at nighttime. It's a different from night to day. So without anything else, let's get into today's video. I mean, just walking down these streets, I kind of feel sexually harassed because so many people are just like touching me, grabbing my shirt. Like literally, some of these girls are like lifting my shirt, like, hey, come over here, come over here. Very friendly, so be careful, they might scam you, I'm just telling you. But just walking, you don't even have to interact with them. They just go up to you, very aggressive. So if you don't like that, then be aware of it. But also just have fun with it. Just, you know, this is part of Pattaya. This is what it's known for, really. Anything like daytime, it's really not that much. But yeah, this is a place if you want to have fun, I guess. So as you guys can see, this is Walking Street, and I'm actually unfortunately not able to go inside and record everything because they will take your phone away. But look how hectic this is. Just all these different, you know, cars going everywhere. Look at all the people on the side of the road just trying to get to the same area. And then as you guys can see, we have another weed parlor, which is honestly crazy because the other one was just over there. Look at this, is like another tuk-tuk that they have right here. This is, I guess, your equivalent to a jeepney. And these are like 10 baht. I don't know what it is in pesos, but it's pretty cool. And then you got policemen over there. Okay, that's crazy. If that's your type of crowd, the Sin City, then that's definitely your street. That's a whole walking strip. It's really, really, really long. I was actually surprised myself just how long it was. But you have weed parlors, you have strip clubs, you have regular clubs, you have bars, you have like anything that you could really think of when in terms of like a good time, then that's all gonna be right there on that strip. Just all waiting for you. You have like Thai women, you have lady boys. So if you're up for both of them, then you can have both. If you just want one or the other, then you also have that option. But the shows that you're able to see here, like there are some people outside with like little menus showing exotic tricks that women can do with their lady parts. So if you're interested in what that looks like, then definitely go to the shows that they have there. We didn't go, but it was pretty interesting, just like by the titles of what they were doing. And they actually showed you photos, which was also very, yeah, you just have to come here and try it yourself. But definitely it's all here for you guys. So that's all I have for you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video.